Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Z-index in WordPress. Z-index is a powerful CSS property that dictates the stacking order of elements on your web page. Think of it like layers in a graphic design program. Elements with a higher Z-index value will appear on top of those with lower values. Understanding this concept is crucial for managing overlapping content and ensuring your WordPress site displays exactly as intended, preventing visual clutter and improving user experience. Applying Z-index in WordPress is straightforward. The easiest method is often through the WordPress customizer, navigating to additional CSS to add your rules. For more extensive or permanent changes, consider using a child theme style sheet, typically named Style. CSS. Remember to target the correct element using its unique CSS class or ID. For instance, you might assign a Z-index of 999 to a pop-up to ensure it always appears above other content. Z-index is incredibly useful for many common WordPress design challenges. For example, you can use it to ensure your pop-up forms or notification banners always appear on top of your main content, making them highly visible. It's also vital for sticky headers or footers, guaranteeing they stay fixed and accessible as visitors scroll down the page. Properly applying Z-index helps resolve frustrating overlapping issues, creating a polished and professional website appearance for your users. When working with Z-index, always follow best practices. Assign values logically, perhaps starting with one for background elements and increasing to 999 or even 9,999 for critical overlays. Always test your changes across different browsers and device sizes to catch any unexpected stacking issues. If problems arise, leverage your browser's developer tools to inspect element properties and quickly identify conflicting Z-index values, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.